Mr. President,
The senator from Iowa.
I rise today to commend President Trump for selecting an eminently qualified nominee in Judge Neil Gorsuch to be Associate Justice of the United States Supreme Court. No one can dispute the academic credentials and intellectual rigor of Judge Gorsuch. In fact, even a former acting Solicitor General under President Obama, Neil Katyal, has called Judge Gorsuch, quote, one of the most thoughtful and brilliant judges to have served our nation over the last century, end quote. Just yesterday, he joined the Republican and Democrat senators from Colorado in introducing Judge Gorsuch at his confirmation hearing before the Senate Judiciary Committee. Judge Gorsuch graduated with honors from Columbia University and then Harvard Law School. He later earned a doctorate in legal philosophy from the University of Oxford. Prior to becoming a judge, Neil Gorsuch was principal deputy to the Associate Attorney General and acting Associate Attorney General at the Department of Justice, worked as a litigator in private practice, and served as a law clerk to Supreme Court Justices Byron White and Anthony Kennedy. Moreover, earlier this month, the American Bar Association's Standing Committee on the Federal Judiciary rated Judge Gorsuch well qualified, its highest rating. One of my constituents who went to high school with Judge Gorsuch took the time to send me a note in support of his character, calling him, quote, the most reasonable, smart, principled, kind, and humble person I know, end quote. Even at a young age, he made a positive impression on his colleagues. He has continued to do today. During the course of Judge Gorsuch's 10-year judicial career, his opinions have reflected not only his outstanding legal acumen, but also his respect for the Constitution and a Scalia-like ability to explain his decisions. Judge Gorsuch was nominated to his current position on the United States Court of Appeals for the 10th Circuit by President George W. Bush in 2006. As a testament to Judge Gorsuch's exceptional credentials, the Senate confirmed him by unanimous voice vote. Several current members of the Senate from both parties, including Minority Leader Schumer, supported Judge Gorsuch's confirmation. The people spoke last November, and our new president has put forward a well-respected nominee who the Senate has previously confirmed with unanimous support. It's time for Washington to work together, as our constituents expect us to do, to help protect and defend our co-equal branches of government and the rule of law. From what I have seen, if confirmed, Judge Gorsuch's dedication to interpreting the text of the Constitution and statutes as they are written, rather than attempting to legislate from the bench, will help to do just that. As Judge Gorsuch himself has stated in one of his opinions, quote, a judge who likes every result he reaches is very likely a bad judge, reaching for results he prefers rather than those the law compels, end quote. I have had the great honor of meeting with Judge Gorsuch to learn more about his judicial philosophy, and over the next few days, the American people will also get to learn more about Judge Gorsuch through his confirmation hearing. I'm confident and also determined that he is qualified to serve on our nation's highest court. I look forward to moving ahead to fill the Supreme Court vacancy with this eminently qualified nominee, and I thank him for his willingness to serve his country in this critically important role. Thank you, Mr. President. I yield the floor.